If you have ever produced a Gravitex paint, then after application, this is what you get. You can see this Gravitex paint now. It's falling off the wall. You just take a good look at it, you can see it's falling off. Some are falling down, you can see them like pap. Whenever you produce a Gravitex paint and it's like this, there's one thing you have to make sure you add to it. Because when you look at this one now, the thickener is okay, but the quantity of marble dust, that is the granite dust, it depends on what you call it in your location, added is not enough. So all you need to do, add little water and put more marble dust, smooth marble dust, not the rough one, not the sugar grade. Just add more smooth marble dust. If you have watched this video and you gain something from this video, don't forget to click on subscription button, like button, and share it with your fellow painters. And if you need formula for this paint, this Gravitex paint, you can chat me on WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. You can support our channel with any amount. No amount is too small. You can at the same time join our channel. You click on the join button so that you can get early access to questions and also to our ebooks, formulas and measurements. Thank you.